This is Matt Long with Ron Hoover RV and Marine. We've got an exclusive lineup of Starcraft pontoons. You want to fish, you want to cruise, or do a little bit of both? We've got the boat for you. Y'all come down and see us. We're here on another Ron Hoover exclusive. This is the Starcraft Q. Forward on the Q, we have two full loungers. Let's take a look. The forward lounge has a high back, deep seating, making it comfortable and safe. One of my favorite features is the recessed base. Makes it real easy to stand up. The forward lounge has a lot of storage and it's waterproof. This channel keeps your compartment dry and pushes all the water overboard. Midship on the Q series, we've got a captain's chair and a co-captain's chair. Who needs dog bowls when you've got a dog house? Seriously, look at all this room. Houston, we have no problems here at Mission Control. We've got the Wet Sounds head unit with Bluetooth, analog gauges, Humminbird GPS and fish finder, toggle switches, tilt steering, and everything is within an arm's reach. The Q has a forward-facing bench that converts into a large sun lounge. Starboard on the Q, we have a nice large storage compartment. Great for storing boat covers, bimini boots, bumpers, tennis shoes, flip-flops, whatever you need, it will accommodate. The lily pad ladder has wide steps for safe and easy boarding. Our exclusive Starcraft packages come with the reliable Suzuki power. Your Starcraft pontoon is protected by the industry's best warranty, lifetime plus 6. What a great way to end the day.